Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. Today we got another video. It's not related only to Amiga, also to PC, to Mac, pretty much to anything which using a floppy disk. And to be honest, there's nothing wrong to use a floppy disk even these days. Nostalgia, or some people like it, like myself. I do like using a floppy disk. I like the clicking sound when it's running. When it's reading a floppy disk. I do have floppy disk. I'm not gonna say a lot, but probably getting close to 100, maybe a little bit more. But the problem is I don't have any more good storages or cradles or decks where I can keep it my floppy disk. To keep it that way, just like that, it's not the best option. Why? Because they can get damaged. Also, they can collect in the dust. To keep them in a nice storage box, it's always nice, and you preserve them, and kind of looks cool. For that, I do have a couple boxes. This storage case, this storage case. Also I just ordered one from eBay. It's kind of like a big one for 100 discs. But then, of course, I do have the most coolest one. This guy. This guy I bought with my Amiga 500. It's a small miniature monitor, and already on some previous videos some people asked me if it's a functional monitor. No, it's not functional monitor, and that's actually disc tray. I believe it's a 14 or 15 disc fits. You just pull it like that, and then push it in and lock it. It's kind of getting older, but it still looks pretty cool. You see, I printed Workbench 1.3 background, and I apply it. Now it looks like a little Amiga monitor running, and I even put a Commodore 1084M. Of course, M stands for mini, and it looks pretty cool. When I place it like that on my Amiga 500, it looks awesome. Eventually, I may convert it to monitor. Just try it, find it the right size, maybe like 5.5 inch or so. But we will see how well that plan is gonna go. But even using as a storage device, it looks really awesome. I saw they still sell them on eBay, I believe, on eBay and Amazon. Pretty much anyone who is still interested in one of those, I do recommend it to pick it up. And they look really cool. They look really cool. Well, guys, pretty much that's kind of short video dedicated to floppy disk storages. If you do like it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it.